In this short video, I'm going to show you how to convert data collected on the Panalytical Empyrean X-ray diffractometer for readboat refinement in the GSAS+EXPGUI program. Some people have had trouble with this conversion process, and so hopefully this will make it a little bit more straightforward. To do this, you're going to need two programs, in addition to GSAS+EXPGUI of course. Those are Data Viewer and Powerll Converter. You can see I have these here on my desktop already. This is slightly confused by the fact there are two different versions of Data Viewer available. The older version is available online on the Blackboard Mole website and available within the XRD SRF as well. And this is suitable for opening expert data. The newer version is only available on the control PC for the Panalytical Empyrean itself, so you'll need to use that computer to do at least the first stage of this process. So I've got a data file here that has been collected on the Empyrean, and we want to convert this from the standard XRDML format that the Empyrean collects data in into the format suitable for GSAS. And so to do this, I'm going to use Data Viewer first, so let me open this up. Here we go. Now I can open my data, File, Open, find the XRDML file. You can see I've got it here on my desktop, so I can open this up. We can see the data. You can see that this is data for a silicon standard. We can then go File and you choose the Convert option. Now on my PC this doesn't actually work. If I press this, I'll get presented with the options, and when I press Convert, the software will give me an error message. And so I have to do a slight workaround, which is to go into the defaults and set the conversion options to the file format I want, which in my case, we want this xytable.txt format. I'm going to say apply and OK to get these changes, and then what I can do to get mine to work is press File, Convert All, and that will save the data for me. You'll note it hasn't given an error message that it would have given otherwise. I can now close Data Viewer. We're finished with this, and you can see that it's saved me a new file here on my desktop in the XY format. I'm now going to use Powerll Converter, which is available from the internet. Open this up. This opens a new window that you can see here. The first thing we need to do is make sure that the radiation here is correct. So just choose the wavelength. In this case it's silver radiation, so I'm going to make sure that's selected. Then click Source, Open, and open the XY file that we've just created in Data Viewer. In this window I'm going to go to my desktop where the file is saved, change my format to an option right down here at the bottom, which is .xy, and then I can open that XY file that we've made in Data Viewer. It'll then automatically fill in the location for the destination here, and instead we say Save As, and then we will choose the option from the list that appears as the GSAS std star.gsas format here. We then need to give the file name again, as it appears to forget that at this stage. So I'm just going to call this agcap, click Save, and then press Convert. And once it's finished, you'll see a new window appear here that says Conversion was successful. We can close this program now, and you can see here we have the GSAS file ready for refinement.